Afternoon students. Today we will see how the factors affecting the friction. We already studied what is friction and how origin of friction and types of friction. Today what are the factors affecting the friction? Okay. So in that first we will see nature of a surface. So surface is a very important. You know that. Okay. So paper, glass, cotton cloth, wood, this and all you have to check it for the marbles and all how that. So arrange some notebook one over the other to form a platform on a table. Okay. Then keep a wide scale and slide such that one its end rest on the pile of books. Take a different kinds of material like cotton cloth or plastic paper or newspaper. So you're taking your writing pad, exam pad. So if you have to place in these and all in the marbles, what will happen? So first keep a rectangular piece of the paper near the end of the scale which is contact with the table. Now release the glass marble from the top end of the scale such that it roll down the scale. Allow the marble to roll over the piece of paper and finally come to rest. Then you have to measure it and fill in this activity in your book. Okay, everyone, you can do that. This is the nature of the surface is very important. This is one of the factor affecting friction. Next we go for the weight of the body. So they are giving that inference for that the marble covers a lesser distance over the cotton cloth because both comparison. Okay, why? Reason is a surface like the cotton cloth, so it is having a more friction force. So the marble moves slowly and cover the minimum distance smooth surface of the glass. So this is, so we can give the lesser friction only for the smooth surface of the glass. So the glass marble easily travel greater distance over that. So in this above activity, what we learned that means effect of the force of friction, it will increase the roughness of the surface and also increase that only it will be revealed in this activity. Okay, so easy to walk or ride a vehicle on a road, but it difficult to do the same on sand due to the greater friction. That you know that I already told that we can't walk in the Marina Beach sand, that you can know that some of them take it out of their chapel and then they walk, because why? Sand is over, it is not a marble like that, it is a having a density is over. Okay, sand density is high, so we can't walk that. Bike or everything, so some of them first you have to practice any cycle or bike, means if that if you'll move from the sandy place, definitely you can fall down. So because of the friction problem only it is there. Okay, so first the nature of the surface is also very important for the affecting the friction. Next, weight of the body. It is easy to pedal your cycle without any load on its carrier. Yeah, with your load placed on its. Okay, so backside anybody will sit, or any weight people vandal you can't ride your cycle or pedal your cycle, but weightless people they sit in the carrier, means you can ride it. Okay, so this only they are told that because the weight on the increase, the friction of the surface of the tire on the road also so will be increased. Okay, so next the area of the contact. For a given weight, the friction is directly related to the area of the contact between the two surfaces. If the area of contact is greater, then the friction will be greater too. A road roller has a broad base, so it offers more friction on the road, but a cycle has the less friction since the area of the contact of the tire with the surface of the road is less. Next, advantage of the friction. Friction is a necessary is most of our day-to-day life activities, whatever it is. What is that, miss? If you are having question, the answer for our daily life, what we will tell you said, we can hold any object in our hand due to the friction only. We can walk the road because of the friction only. The footwear, the ground help us to walk without slipping. Okay, so writing easily with a pen or paper is due to the friction only. Automobile can move safely due to the friction between the tires on the road. Brakes can be applied due to the friction resistant to the brake shoes. Okay, so we are able to light a matchstick, sew the cloth, okay, tie a knot or fix a nail in the wall because of the friction. So everything it is having the friction. So started giving negative effect in most of our day to life. Friction help us to make our life easy. So friction is very important. So it is a necessary evil. Okay, what are the disadvantage of the friction? Friction wears out the surface, rubbing with each other like screws and gears in machines or soles of shoes. These are the disadvantage. To overcome the friction, an excess amount of the effort has to be given to operate a machine. This leads to the wastage of energy. Yeah, this happen. And friction produce heat which cause physical damage to the machines. So these are the disadvantage of the friction. So lot of help is there, but only 3 disadvantage, but everything it is okay now. How do we can increase and decrease? So what are the decrease and increase happen in the friction? So this is the answer is area of contact and using lubricants, and after that ball bearing. These three is very important. We can increase or decreasing the friction. Area of contact, friction can be increased by increase the area of the surface is contact. Have you seen the sole of shoe which has grooves? It is done to provide the shoes a better grip with the floor so that you can walk safely. Treated tires are used to increase the friction. Brake shoes in a cycle have to be adjusted so that they are also possible to a rim of the wheel. Okay, you know that the rim of the wheel your cycle and bike having in order to the increase the friction only. So sumo players, kabaddi players rub their hand with mud. Yeah, if you see in that players that frequently they can touch the mud and they can rub their hand. So to get at what had happened, because it is sweating will happen means the grip will gone. So because of that only they are doing. So better grip they need means they are continuously rubbing their hand. Okay. Football shoes are having a soles with many projections for providing a stronger grip with the ground. So that you can see the football that is differently it is made up of. Why that means? Because it is more grip need, because leg only, the shoes only very important for the pushing the ball. Okay, so these are the area of the contact, so it will be help for the grip. Okay, next using lubricants. The lubricants means we can use only by the machine and only. So okay, reduce the frictional force is called lubricant. Okay, so reduce the frictional force means that is called lubricant. What are the lubricants is the available? Grease, coconut oil, graphite, castor oil, etc. Okay, these are the important one. Next, the lubricant fill up the gaps in the irregular surface between the bodies in contact. This provides a smooth layer, thus preventing a direct contact between the rough surface. So next, using ball bearing. Since the rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction, sliding you know that no. So seesaw that like you can go and play in that. That sliding is in that sliding is replaced by the rolling with the usage of the ball bearing. Okay, so if you in Thamarakulam also slider is there, that starting Thamarakulam park is there, no, that you can see that the ball is there, bear that sliding. So this is the good example. So you can see lead shoot in the bearing in a cycle hub also it is there. So these are the why there it is sliding and all they are using ball bearing means it is avoid the grip. Okay, so otherwise you can fall down, the children are easily fall down that. So because of that only they having. So there are two slider is there, one slider having ball first starting the end corner that having, after that it is. So because it is for kids and that is for after 6 years above means they are having grip. So because of that only they are arranging this. So this is also very important for the gripping and important for the pressure also. Okay, next points to remember, that's all about in this lesson, that I can we can recall the what we are learning in this lesson. Force defense is a push or pull acting on a body which tend to the change. Okay, force act only when two or more objects interact with one another. The force can start a motion, stop a motion, change the direction of motion. So it is depending upon the shape and size of a body. Next, pressure. The effect of force can be measured using a physical quantity called pressure. Okay, it can act in perpendicular, so it is defined as the square meter area of the surface unit. Pressure is Pascal or nm. Fluid, liquid or exit pressure, all objects on the surface of the earth experience constant force due to the atmosphere. The amount of the force due to the atmospheric air that act on surface of the earth. Atmospheric pressure can be measured by the device called barometer. So if you can note down, this is one word they will ask. So these are the points, or remember we can study in that. So after that, what is viscous force? So you can read that. So next class we can see the next lesson. Thank you student. If you have any doubt about this, First in upcoming live class you can ask and clarify your doubts. Thank you.